what's up, folks? Chris here, Just One Guy Metalworks again. So, you guys might recall me griping about a certain tool that I've been dying to get for quite some time. And, well, I finally got it. No, not this. It's the infamous light baby blue box of import steel. Oh, I'm not gonna, it honestly, it feels pretty good. I like the, like the grinds on there look pretty nice. I haven't got a chance to use it yet, obviously. I still got to mill out a T-bolt, and I think the milling attachment will do just fine for that. But, it sounds good. Checking out all the holders and stuff and seeing how they work and whatnot. Oh, where's that one I was really stoked about? I think it was this one. This guy right here. Nope, maybe not. No, that's the parting tool. I actually kind of heard bad things about those. Is that it? Nope, that's the boring tool. There it is. The knurler. Oh, I can't wait to do some knurls on some stuff. They always look so nice. Yep, so just a quick shop update, guys. I'm just, I don't know. I got the T-bolt all laid out, more or less. I got the compound measured up, so I'm pretty much just going to lop those tops off. One, whatever that is, 1/2 inch on either side or 3/4 of an inch. And then, then I'll just mill it out till it's a nice shaped T and clean up the ends. Doesn't have to be nothing fancy, just has to fit in the compound. Alright, got it all filed up. I could use a little bit more yet. That's better. A minute ago. There we go. I don't know why it wants to go one way or the other, but that's a really snug fit. Really snug. That should do it. Ah. So there is a problem I'm anticipating with this unit. See, it's a big square block, and this has got that friggin' lip right there. It does fit on there, but only just. I couldn't get a bigger tool post if I wanted to. No, the advertisement claims, or whatever, that this is hardened steel. Everything on here is hardened steel, in fact. I'm going to have to take this right off here. Do this right. And I'm just wondering if it is or not. Because if it's not, I might be able to stick it in the forejaw, line it up with the center here, and round that bottom into a, so that I could actually spin it on here. That would be ideal. Well, this is I don't know, it's scratching it. Pretty easy, in fact. Some kind of hard feeling. But you can even just turn it down just enough to make that radius on there. Put this upside down just to get an idea. I think that would be perfect. I'll be able to spin it. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Worst case scenario, I bust the tool off. I don't think I can hurt this. I'll take the... Yeah, before I do it, I'm gonna see if I can do it. I'm gonna put this on the lathe. And if I got clearance under there after I set up the tool, well, probably not this tool, but set up a tool. We'll see if if I can actually turn that down or not. If I lock down the jaws and they're still interfering, then it's kind of pointless, maybe. You know, I can see right there. I don't think it'll go down that far, but be right back. So I'm just pulling out all these holders. I'm gonna wipe all the grease off of them and check them out too, just make sure that we got clearance. All right, well, I got her all centered out, and it does appear we got about a 1/4 inch there. Oh, I can't wait to use this thing. That's a 3/8 key stock, and it's just a little under the top, so it should give us plenty of oomph. Yeah, I don't think I got to take that much off of that thing. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's check out these other tool holders, I guess. All right, so I'm just getting her all dialed in there. I've got that pretty much bang on. All right, so this could potentially go badly. Won't know until we try, I guess. Try to find the... Looks good on the face. I'm gonna take it pretty easy though, in the event that this is actually hardened steel. Right. Wait. Hold the phone. Pretty sure I got that already, but yeah, it could have been tighter. Like this. Yeah, well, it's all good. Pretty much got to check everything right after you do something. That could have been tighter too. Okay. Everything else should be good. Take the backlash. Hold the phone. Gives her just right tight. I don't like my compound overhanging like that. I'd rather have it flush with the front, so it's not putting any undue weird stresses on there that I wouldn't like. I do clamp it down though, either all the time anyway. Alright, should be good. Clicking around is the thing inside there that's oh yeah. I think she's gonna cut that out like nothing. And I'll earn like 10 thou probably. Nothing too big. This is over out. I'll just take it easy. Also, geez, what I'd kind of like to do. I don't have to take much off, just enough to round that bottom out. Maybe it is pretty hard. Yeah, it seems pretty hard. Maybe it's just case hard, and once we get through it, it might not be so bad. But it seems to be cutting it. I need to get about an inch from center, so we're almost there already. That's probably almost enough right there. All right, so I'm gonna take that down to, well, I gotta go down to 200 thousandths of an inch, so actually less than. It was 165 or something. So 165 thousandths. Take it to 175 or so. I really want to make sure that it works, because well, I guess I can just check it out while it's on the compound. I don't know. All right, folks, I'll get back to you and let you know how things went. All right, so we got it turned down. I only took 150 thou off. That's it puts me about 10 thou over the top of the compound here. So yeah, I gotta tell you, it's hardened steel, all right, and it was pretty hard to turn actually with the high-speed steel tooling. So see if I can get you a good view here or not. That's the corner that's supposed to not hit. And we actually got, you can see a little bit of light through there. It's pressed tight against the unit. And we got plenty of clearance now. Lots of meat holding down on there. I realized I could have just stuck a washer under there or something, or some kind of bushing. But I didn't want it to add more stuff in between the work, so. Well, there she is, folks. Yep, the upgraded tool post. Well, made to fit, I should say. Now it's just one little turn, and you can rotate it around. Nothing's hitting nothing. You know, if I do ever in the event, want to change the angle of the compound, I can, and it's not going to cause me too many problems. Just clears. So I'll probably line that up with the chuck or something at some point. But I think we're good. Just a matter of checking out repeatability and stuff and setting up tools. I'm gonna have to make a chamfer tool now, and so yeah, I'll be making tools and stuff, but it's getting pretty late tonight, so I think I'll probably save that for tomorrow. That should help a lot. That's awesome. I feel like one of the boys now. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Hope you, feel free to criticize this. Leave a comment in the comments section there. I don't mind. This is a rough bit of turning. I honestly didn't think it would be, I didn't think it would turn with high-speed steel, but what she did. I had to sharpen it pretty much after every pass, but yeah, that's her. Peace out, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye.